In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a stunning newsletter in Microsoft Word. Using templates is the fastest and easiest way to create a professional-looking newsletter in Word. Templates come with pre-designed layouts, fonts, and graphics, which allows you to focus on adding your content rather than building the design from scratch. This method ensures your newsletter looks polished and visually appealing with minimal effort. To start, open Microsoft Word and go to the File tab, then click on New. In the search bar, type Newsletter to find the available newsletter templates. Microsoft Word offers a variety of templates with different styles, from corporate and modern designs to school and community-themed layouts. Browse through the options and select the template that best fits your purpose. Once you've chosen a template, click on it and select Create. Word will open the template as a new document, complete with pre-formatted text boxes, headings, and placeholders for images and graphics. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you know where to insert your content. Next, replace the placeholder text with your own content. Click on each text box and type or paste your articles, announcements, or updates. The template already provides structured sections, so your text will automatically fit into the designed layout. You can also adjust the font size or style if needed, but most templates are already formatted for readability and professional appearance. After updating the text, add your images. Click on the image placeholders to insert pictures from your computer or online sources. The templates often include space for photos, logos, or icons, which help make your newsletter visually engaging. Make sure your images are properly aligned within the designated areas for a clean and polished look. You can also customize colors and design elements to match your brand or theme. Many templates allow you to change the assume, color scheme, or accent styles without disrupting the layout. This helps maintain a cohesive and professional design throughout the newsletter. Finally, review your newsletter to ensure everything is accurate and visually balanced. Check for spelling and grammar, make sure images and text are aligned, and adjust any spacing issues. Once you're satisfied, save your document, and it's ready to share digitally or print. By using templates, you can create a stunning newsletter quickly and easily with a professional layout that's already designed for visual impact. And that's how you make a newsletter in Microsoft Word using only templates. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.